Researching your family history and found a TMG file? This contains genealogy data from the Master Genealogist, one of the most sophisticated family history research tools ever built. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access and migrate this genealogy data. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized TMG file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. TMG files are genealogy project files from the Master Genealogist, containing family history research data, including person records, source citations, event timelines, family relationships, and research notes. They store comprehensive genealogical databases with evidence-based methodology tracking. The Master Genealogist TMG files use a FoxPro-based database structure storing person tables, event records, source citation entries, repository references, tag type definitions, relationship links, and research log entries with multimedia attachment references. For full compatibility with TMG, use the proprietary The Master Genealogist developed by Holy Genes. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows may show the file's presence but not its meaning, requiring specialized software for access. To find the correct opener, right-click the TMG file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with the Master Genealogist first. If it's not present, select a different program and keep testing. If your TMG file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The problem with this TMG file isn't complicated. It's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, opening in TMG. If the Master Genealogist is still installed, launch the application and open the project through File, then Open Project. The software displays your family tree with all person records, source citations, events, and relationships. Navigate using the Person View, Family View, or Timeline displays. Next, migrating to modern software. Export your TMG data to GEDCOM format using File, then Export to GEDCOM. Import the GEDCOM file into modern genealogy software, such as RootsMagic Family Tree Maker or GRAMPS. RootsMagic specifically offers enhanced TMG import capabilities that preserve more data than standard GEDCOM transfer. Finally, preserving research data. Before migrating, export all report source citations and research logs from TMG. Generate complete family group sheets, individual reports, and source lists. Save multimedia attachments separately. Verify the GEDCOM export includes all custom tags, events, and source citation details for complete data preservation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.